So you've just sold your tech business. Congratulations. You're sitting on what feels like a lottery win in terms of money. And you're thinking to yourself, what do I do now? Welcome to Self-Made Strategies. My name's Rory McCaw. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I built and sold an IT services tech business. Started it in 2001, sold in 2018, and I'm here to just share my experiences with you, hopefully provide some tips and tricks for you along the way, and help you to business hack your way to faster growth than I achieved and greater success than I've achieved. So you're sitting on this pile of money, and what do? Well, from my experience, I would encourage you to do very little. Don't start looking for angel investments. I've seen a lot of entrepreneurs exit their organization and then all of a sudden think, oh, hey, now I'm an expert at investing in businesses. And the question that I would encourage you to ask yourself is that really true? Have you invested in any business other than your own in the past that makes you an expert? And if the answer is no, then I would think about maybe looking down an alternative path or taking an alternative path. You probably want to put some of that money into just some very, very stable investments. Could be treasury bills, could be GICs, guaranteed investment certificates, could be a money market fund. The one thing I'd encourage you to do is allocate a certain amount. So certainly not anywhere near more than 5%, maybe not even 1% of the total sale. But something that allows you to take maybe your wife and your kids somewhere special, because it's really the memories in our life that we remember, and we're all going to die and we're not taking any money with us. So use the money to do something that's memorable and celebrate your success as an individual, but also as a family, and show your kids what they can achieve, and that it's not all about money, it's about life experiences. I would also encourage you to talk to a number of different professionals. They're all going to want to talk to you because you're like a whale, as they call you at the casino. When there's a big spender coming in, you just received a pile of money and they want to increase their assets under management. But know that you've got a ton of negotiating room here. You hold most of the cards in this relationship, and you want to find the company and individual, that you feel has integrity and that you can trust and is going to do things that benefit you, not benefit them. But you also want to make sure that they're going to be investing in things that align with what you're looking for, not just in terms of return, but just with your beliefs in general. That would be my guidance right after a big sale. Good luck, and if you like the videos, hit the like and subscribe button.